October 21, 2023. Yan. Ngayong hapon po, tayo po ay magtatanim ng ating bawang. So, same lamang po nung nakaraang taon. October 21 din po tayo nagtanim. Balik rin ko lang po yung aking camera. Ito po ngayon yung ating itatanim na bawang. Ayan. So, first batch po to, and then andun pa po yung iba sa loob. So, ito lang kasi yung kasya sa ating timba. So, nakababad po siya ngayon sa fish emulsion. So, binababad muna na po natin bago po natin itanim. So, dun po tayo sa harap magtatanim. Kasama po natin yung mga kids po para sa pagtatanim ng bawang. So, maamoy mo siya. Amoy fish emulsion siya. Ayan. So, ayusin ko lamang po yung ating pagtatanim po doon sa harap bago po natin ito itanim. It's heavy.
Got some stickies. Oh, funky sticks. Is there poop in there?
Yeah, it's a poop manure. Sheep poop.
At least it's good for the garden, but not us.
You're blocking our vlog.
It's good for the garden, but it's not good for us. That's why we cannot eat that food. Hey, sheep poop.
Wow, look at that.
What?
It's so many.
Oh, two fell off.
That's elephant garlic.
Elephant.
Yeah,
So it grows huge.
yeah, just like this big.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it didn't grow this year that much. This one is red Russian
Red Russian.
garlic. Wow. I don't know. Gusto din ko
Look, I
variety.
can hold it with two fingers. Wow. And it's on our face. Yeah.
Just a tiny bit like that.
Ah, tiny bit. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
So my hands? So what is this made of?
Earthworms.
A worm poop? Okay. So even more poop. Oh my god. And put your hands into poop.
Yeah, it's an earthworm poop.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it on you.
Nakaver.
Ay, ay.
Ay, ay,
Don't-
ay.
Don't like pat it. No padding, right, Papa?
That's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's easier to grow if it's not padded, right?
No, it's okay. It will just like cover with the snow.
That's easier. By doing this. Oh, that's deep. I know. I'm expecting also Marshall, the next thing. Oh yeah. Or else I'm gonna take over your job. Oh, there. Place it. Because I like the plant. You know. I think something. Why? I'm just saying. Place.
Oh.
Why are you hitting me? Place. Bump.
Okay, we're gonna. I think it's much better we just like put all that one first, and then you can just like cover it after this one. So yeah, make sure it just like put it in the middle.
Oh, in the middle. Cover.
Yeah, cover.
Cover. Cover.
And then put it here, Mister. How many is that? Then cover it first. I wanna see it. 1,
2, 3.
how many? So 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, good. One more.
Oh yeah, I thought that was gonna go away.
Yeah, Mark is the cover man, right?
Yeah. Okay, so why are you doing that? So, I don't know why. I don't know why I'm doing the covering job. Oh, follow. No follow. Oh, that's how you do it. Stop on here. Oh. Stop on here. And then you're the one. No, it isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. It's dead. Ow. Ew, you killed him. You killed the poor worm. How dare you? Please. Go away, bug. I'm not a bug. I'm not a bug, you know. Hey, I'm the one who had that one guy. I have learned. Cover it. Recover. You're recovering.
Okay, how's it going?
I need to move this. This is 3.
Ay.
I just don't like worms. And slug, I'll give you a slug instead. No, I hate slug also, and don't give me a caterpillar. I will. No, I hate caterpillar. I remember the one that we found, I was planted as a butterfly.
Like Coverman. Who's the Coverman?
I'm not gonna look at it. Look what? The worm? No, the dirt. I want you. No. It's a breakfast. No. What if it was mud? You're mud. Ear mud? You. Ew. Why would it be ear mud? Wait a minute, does wood chip? Of course. This one's cool. Two more. I need 2. Okay, I'm done. Have more. Where do I put this? I guess. Nowhere. Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna put it here. Bum. Marco. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Marco's covering it.
Cover. I'll wait for you. Cover them all.
Kaya kanina but one. The thingy, the one that is for the snake to make a
The hole?
hole.
Yeah, because it kind of looks like a leaf. Garlic leaf, kind of.
Step down here. I can use this one. Thank you.
There.
See, it's easier. We have
infinite. We have basically infinite dogs. Yeah, because we could just use them over and over. Yeah, until they get broke. They break. But that's how much crazy. Oh yes. This is what I like to see. I can hold 5 at a time. This is what I like to see. Warm! Yay! Yay! Oh yeah, baby! Oh my god! I got more than that. You can cover it. Cover, wobber, boober, bobber, bee. Oh. Cover, wobber, boober, bobber, beaver, boober, bee. What am I even saying? You. Banana. How?
Okay. I need this one right now. the mix, Marco. You need to put mix in here.
I have like full job and it's so hard. Wait, I'm supposed to be on the opposite side of Papa.